I'm more than happy to use the one in the tub because that is thicker, but this one is way lighter. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. So this video is going to be a quick update on the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. I actually run out of it and I thought to come out here and give an update, my opinion and everything. I was able to, I purchased this, I don't remember when, not too long ago, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to use it and see what this is like. I purchased this one and I also got the tub one, and I've also done a review on them. I'll be sure to link it somewhere or check the description for the review on both of them. But what I would say is that in a nutshell, this one is for, having to use it on my body because my body tends to be quite dry. It wasn't just the best for me. I found out that it was too light for me. So it's not something that if you have, even though it says it's for dry to very dry skin, unless you're using it on your face. But this for the body, for me personally, and it's not like my skin is excessively dry like that. It is quite dry, but not, it's not so bad. This didn't help me at all. I didn't find it so moisturizing for my body. As soon as I applied it, it just absorbed into the skin, and my skin was almost like I didn't use anything, if you get what I mean. So it's something that I would always pair with oils, or even with like shea butter, or oils, basically to give me that extra sheen, extra glow, to give you that, to keep my skin, to make so that I don't look ashy, basically. That's it. So this on the body is not something I would definitely go to if you have very dry skin on your body. But if you were to use this on your face, yes, you can use it on your face. So that's basically it. Honestly, there's nothing much I can say. And left for me, it's not something, this particular one is not something I will be repurchasing. I'm more than happy to use the one in the tub because that is thicker, but this one is way lighter than the one in the tub. So that's it in a nutshell. That's my update on this, and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Have you tried this? Are you considering using it? Let me know. And with that, all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.